Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change date and time in IQOO Z6 smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then swipe up, then need to click system. Now you need to choose date and time. So in default, the set time automatically is chosen. You need to disable that. Then you can edit the date and time. So I will edit the date into the 2021. Then again I can change the time also. Now you can see the date and time is changed. If you want to enable the default time again, you need to set the time automatically toggle. You need to enable that. Now the default time and date come. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.